Ẹ káàbọ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀kan sí. Gẹ́gẹ́ bí a ṣe ní orúkọ ọjọ́ nínú ọ̀sẹ̀, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà la ní orúkọ oṣù nínú ọdún. Just as we have days of the week, we also have months of the year. In this video, we shall talk about month of the year in Yoruba language. I remain Abdullahi. Orúkọ oṣù nínú ọdún, month of the year. If you are watching this YouTube channel for the first time, do not forget to press the notification bell, subscribe, so that whenever I upload new videos, you'll be able to learn. Here we talk about month of the year in Yoruba language. The first one is the month of January, called Shere. The second month is month of February. Erele. The third month is month of March. Erena. Followed by the month of April. Igbe. The month of May. ABB. Month of June. Okudu. The month of July, which is the 7th month. Agema. Followed by the month of August. Ogu. Followed by the month of November, month of September. July, August, September. The month of September. Owewe. After the month of September, we have October. Owara. November, Belu. And the last month is called Okpe. These are the 12 months of the year in Yoruba language. Once again, do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so that you can learn more. Can we take that once again before we go? The first one is the month of January in English. Shere. Erele. Erena. Igbe. ABB. Okudu. Agema. Ogun. Owewe. The correct pronunciation is Owewe. Owara. Belu. Okpe. This is the 12th month in a year in Yoruba language. I hope you have learned in this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. Ó dàbọ̀, ẹ ṣé púpọ̀.